banana coffee cake. Oh, this was really awesome. It's my favorite. And also we're gonna do two different versions: inverted cake and a regular normal cake. So yep. So now let's start. Here it is. We got some Danish cookies, some crushed graham, bananas, and Kopiko brown. That's the good one. Is brown sugar taste. And apparently, Saging na Saba is a local. It's triploid hybrid this local in our country. So, yep, we gotta use that for cooking. Here's a brewed coffee, about a cup. This gives a more stronger coffee taste. So, we use a cup of brewed coffee and then about 4 packs of Kopiko brown. It's a 3-in-1 coffee. So, this has creamer and sugar. So, we won't add any condensed milk on this. We'll just rely on this Kopiko brown for the sweetness. So this will be perfect for those who doesn't like anything too sweet. But if you want it a bit sweeter, of course, on the creamer later, you can add a bit of condensed milk to make it better. But this is just perfect for me, right? We try to dissolve this. We get it all good on the coffee, on the brewed coffee. Yes. Now we turn it on low heat just to help it dissolve better. All right. While we're doing that, here's the bananas. We use about 6 pieces of regular banana and 4 pieces of saging na saba. This one is a little bit tougher, so we have to cook that first. So now it's boiling. It's melting good. Now this is really smelling really good. It smells like Starbucks actually. Yep. Now we put the saging na saba. This one is a little bit tougher, so we gotta cook this a little longer on this, so let it caramelize and just get it softer and good. We leave that for now. Now it's boiling. We cook it. We let it simmer, and at the last minute we put the regular bananas because those are soft and ripe. So we let this cook. Let it sit there. It's gonna get all good and tasty with all the coffee. And while we're doing that, here on the Danish butter cookies, let's crush this here so this is all crushed like the crushed graham that we got. This is about 200 grams or 220 grams total. There you go. Okay, it needs to be a bit more smoother. So we gotta, you know, turn on the blender once again, one more time. And now here, oh yeah, now it's perfect. Now it looks like the crushed graham. And here, it look good. Here's the banana all cooked up. So now let's start. Let's start with the inverted cake. On this tray here, we put the heavy cream and refrigerated it so it's all harder. Here's the light cream and heavy cream. They're actually both just heavy cream. The light cream, we put a bit of evaporated milk to make it a bit lighter. So now the first layer of banana, because this is the inverted cake. This is actually the top, so we had to chill the creamer on on the bottom so that the top that the top section gets more firm. Now I put some light cream on the bananas, mix it up all good, and I'll make a good layer. And then the Danish butter cookies that's crushed. You put the layer there so that it soaks up the light cream and becomes a good cake. All right. Now here we add a bit more of heavy cream this time to let it soak into the crushed Danish butter cookies. This is gonna taste really good. Yep. And now next up is the crushed graham. It's gonna soak up all on the creamer. That's gonna make it really good. There you go. That's a bit flat. Now we add one more layer of banana, coffee banana mix with a Kopiko brown, and the lighter banana is the uncooked one because they're already soft, and the darker one is the saging na saba that's already gotten soft. Now it looks really good. One more layer of Danish butter cookies that's crushed, of course, as you can see. Once that's all covered up, this is actually gonna be the base because this is an inverted cake. So now we add some light cream to make it to help it dissolve all together. It becomes a good base when you invert it. All right, there you go. A bit more. How's perfect? Okay, now this is gonna be really good. So now we cover this and we gotta chill it for at least 3 hours on the refrigerator. Not the freezer, just the refrigerator, but 3 hours. So we set this aside. And here on this one, it's gonna be a normal cake, not inverted. So the bottom part is the base. So let's start now here. Okay, now the base is gonna be the Danish butter cookies. We're gonna use all of it now to make sure it's all flat and good. Oh, wait, let's pour all of this now. There you go. Get the rest. So all of the things that we did, like the recipe will be in the description below. It's good for 2 cakes. We just showed you the inverted one. Now here is the normal one. We use the rest of the light cream. We pour all of it, so this because it's gonna be the base. All right. And now the bananas. Actually, now we can put all of it because everything is, complete. And then, there, let's lay it flat good. And then the crushed graham, we put all of it. There you go. Now it's all flat and covered. Now we use the rest of the light cream. Pour it in there. Oh, it's gonna be good. Sorry, this is the heavy cream. Sorry. Oh, look at that. It looks really good. Now we refrigerate this for like at least 3 hours. It's gonna start tasting really, really good. It's gonna solidify. It's gonna be an awesome cake. All right. And here it is. The inverted cake has been done for 3 hours. Let's here when it's all served up. We inverted it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this is so good. Yep. Also, you can click here for the other coffee cake that we made. If you don't like it with bananas, it has no bananas. This one. Oh, now I'm gonna cut it. This is all mine. Well, not all of it. Yep, this is so good. And subscribe if you haven't. This way you can get updates on whenever we have new food stuff.